Hello, welcome to Aswen TV. Today we are going to learn how to draw this flyer. Yes, how to design or just make this flyer within some few minutes. Let's go fast. So you click Control N, then you select the background. The size of the background is 36 inches by 36 inches. Then you click OK. So I've already done it here. Then you reduce the size, fix it on screen. Okay, so I'll turn it back again. Then you pick your pen tool. After picking the pen tool, you will click your size, this. Then I'll pick this curve, push it down, there, then make the shape. If yours is not picking, then you check here. If you click here, either it will be a path, pages or shape. So pick shape, then you can extend it and rotate it a little bit. So let's move on. This is it. This is how it's going to be. So I'll reduce my size small, increase it and push it down, increase here, stretch this, then I'll get this. Yeah, or something like that. So to get that, I think now it's okay for me. Check here, you can see it's almost the same. Then you move it back small. You can push this like that. Yeah, I think it's okay now. No, you push it back. Small. So no, close the quick man move to and select this back. Something like that. Yeah. So now you can see the shape. Some more the same. I'll click on the shape too. Then select the stroke color to this. Then increase the size. Increase the size of the stroke. Then I'll fix it on screen and see if it is almost the same as I want it. So, but I'll fix it like that. Okay, so now it is okay. And when you check, the size is almost the same. Then I'll deepen the background color, change it small. So there's it. I'll click on fill, then click here, pick this one down a little bit so that the color will be deep yellow. So now I have changed it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix in these two pictures. So I'll go to my download, place embedded. I'll search for that folder. Then you are good to go to paste them. So this is my folder here, and these are the pictures. So I'll pick this first one and I'll move it up here. Hold on Shift and push it back, stretch it, then click OK. Then I'll push it below this. I'll put the layer below this one like that. So now it is in. Use the control to move it to the left side a little bit, something like that. Then I'll pick my eraser tool. After picking the eraser tool, yeah, this, you check the brush, you pick this shadow one, you increase it a little bit, then the hardness is okay, 0%. So now let's go. This is the shape. This is the shape. So I'll just erase this part. Just erase this part. Yeah. So when you check here, you can see it's almost the same as this one is. So now I'll go in and bring another one. The other one is here. This is it. Hold and shift, increase it, push it to the right side like that. Yeah, so I will increase it down, push it here, click OK, then come back and check the word is full right. You see where it is? So I'll push it a little bit. I'll push it a little bit, then push the shape down. Yep, and I'll press it. Then you select your eraser tool, push it back small. Yeah, pick the eraser tool, left click on it, then paint this part to go. You brush it. Then you check here. So as you can see now, they are almost the same. Then I'll push this one to the right side a little bit. Check how this one is. Yeah, so I'll push this shape top, push it to the top. Then I'll reduce the size to rotate this shape small. Too big, and then it's okay. Yeah, so now this is there and this is here, so I'll push this one back, push it back, push it back, then stretch it. Hold control, then expand this one. Okay, it's okay. Let's maintain it like this. So now we push this one up small, reduce the size. Yeah, then push it here. Then now pick this shape and push it here a little bit. Yeah, then I'll increase this shape as well. And this one is okay. No. So after fixing in these pictures, we are using the eraser to brush through this. Then maybe I would like it to be same as how this one is, so I can try to delete this picture and replace it again so that everything will be sharp and nice for you to understand it. Yeah, so here we are. Hold shift, expand this picture. Yeah, and after expanding it, click OK, pick the eraser tool, increase the brush. Okay, now it is here. So I'll go like this, small. So now if you check this now coming small. So now it is okay. So even if I will use this, I need to increase the brush size a little bit. Then it's okay. Now when we check, I have this one. Then I will draw my shape. Here I will draw the shape on top. That's my rectangular shape. For drawing it, I will check the size. And let me pick the search tool and fix it on screen. Yep. I will move it up small, increase the size, hold on shift, then you pull it down a little bit, fix it the right place that you want it to be. After that, you click OK. Then you change the color to fix this one. Yeah, so now it is the same. I'll leave it. Then when you check here, I have this shape, a shape here with this logo object. So I'll come back, right click on the shape, select custom shape 2, come on top here. When you pick this, you scroll down, you search for the rhombus shape. I use the rhombus shape to draw it. So I'll show you the actual shape that I used to draw. Where is it? It is here, yeah. The kite shape is what I used to draw. So I'll draw small one here like that. Yellow color. Push it upwards as this one is the same. Yeah. So push it upwards, then push this one to the side. Push this bar down like that. Push this to the side. Then I will increase this of the shape. I will increase it like that. Then push this object down. That's it. Now it's okay. Let's go. It's there. So this shape color is already here. Now I am going to draw these shapes to insert the pictures. So I'll draw using my custom shape 2. First of all, as we know that there is a shape here and another one here with a curve, you draw the first shape. I'll draw my first shape like that. Yep. After drawing it, I'll make the inner color, fill color white, then the stroke same as this. Then I'll increase this a little bit. After that, I'll put it on top of the shape, the layer on top of the shape to increase my stroke color. So it is too big. Let me reduce it. So as you can see, and when I open this, there is a curve here. You can see there is a curve. That means I added fixed to it when I was drawing. So this one is not up to the same thing. So I can decide to delete it. Then when I come here, I'll select my piezo shape. That is the high shape and everything. To the 900 count. This one is 900. I made it 900. 900. Okay. Now let me pick my custom shape and draw and see whether it will go the same way or not. You see, it is almost the same. Yeah, this is almost the same, so it will not fix it. So let's go back. Let's delete it again. Go back. What are we going to do? I will use this rounded rectangular shape. And when I'm using it, because I set this 900, you see the shape is too much. Yeah, the curve is too much. So we will change this one to 100 or 800. Yeah, 100. Make it 200. Make it okay, 700. Yeah, 700 is too much. Let's go back and make it 100. I think this one is okay. So as compared to this one, yeah, it is okay. So let's go. Now I'll extend this to increase the shape and rotate it like that. So I rotated it negative 14.94. Then I'll push it to this side. the side of the picture. Then I'll put it on top of that layer and make the inner color white. Then the stroke with wine. Then I'll increase the stroke small. So the stroke is almost the same as this one. Then I'll increase my color. Yeah, it's okay. Then pick it like that. Then I'll place in my picture. So this is the first picture. I'm going to place it here. Click on it, place. I'll search for it. This is the picture. I'll move it using the control tool, extend it. Then when you are extending it, don't forget to hold shift. Don't forget to hold shift. Yes. When you click OK, if you want to place the picture in a shape, what you will do is right click on the shape, then you create clipping marks. You click on it, it will enter straight forward. Then you start to reduce size of the picture to fix it. So when it is not fixing, I'll get to know that my rectangular shape is too big. My rectangular shape is too big, so I will make it like that. Then push it top, small, control, push this down, increase this a little bit, move it to the side. Now it's okay. I'll click on the picture, then place it like that. So when you check how the picture is, this is the picture, and this is it here. So I'll push it to the other side. Looking at it, everything is all right. Then I'll push it to the other side. Then I'll make a duplicate of this shape, this rectangular shape. Duplicate of it. I'll make a duplicate of it. So duplicating Control J. Then I'll click on the down one like that. Then I'll move it down. I'll move it down. Move it down. And create a little bit shape here. Yeah. So now let me put the first shape and the picture in a group. So when you are putting it in a group, you hold Control Alt, and you select those two layers you want to put in a shape. After that, you press Control G, then you group them. After grouping them now, you can control by moving them upwards. Yeah, I choose to move them upwards like that. So I have two shapes there. So this is my first shape. Yeah, this is my first shape. Let me turn this one off. Yeah, then I'll fix this. After that, I'll turn the other one on. So this is my first shape. Yeah, this one is okay. This one is okay. We push it to here to create that beautiful shape between them. Now I'll turn this layer on by duplicating Control G, as I have already taught you how to do it. Now, so what we are going to do here now is that when you check here, check the previous design, there is a curve shape here. Yes, there is a curve shape. How are we going to do it? Let's go back. This is little and this is simple. What we are going to do now is to add the picture we are going to put there. So let's look at that particular picture. Yeah, this is the white man fixing the picture. Control, place, come there, select this is the picture, double click on it, hold shift and expand it. After that, click OK and right click on the shape, select paper marks. Yeah, so now it is in. Let's look at it. Yeah, so now it is in. You increase it small and a little bit, push it down. Yeah, so for we to create this shape, to be like this one here with a curve, we just put our command on the shape. Then I'll take my brush tool, not brush, sorry, eraser tool. Then I'll make the eraser brush to be take like this, 100% hardness. I'll click OK and pick my eraser. Then right click on this. Okay, so this is the shape. Now I need to re-add this one to it, releasing Creeper Max. Let me add it again. Adding Creeper Max. Now it is in. So I'll put it on this shape, turn off this image, then I'll increase the size of the eraser. It is too big, too much. Yep. So now I'll place it somewhere here like this. Then I'll click on it. Now the shape is gone. Make this again. So this is it. Now I'll turn on the picture. By fixing it inside like that, I will duplicate this same layer, this same shape. I will draw another shape of this. So for me not drawing, I will put it on this one and duplicate it. Control G, Control J, duplicate and move it upwards to fix this one. After fixing it, what I will do is I'll turn off the inner color to make it transparent. Now it is on the shape, then I'll leave it like that. Later, I'll pick my eraser tool, click on it, and use this same shape to cut this shape out. So now check this. Here is almost the same as here. Yeah, so we are going to draw and do everything. Because of the beginners, I'll be slowing down small so that they will understand. So this shape, and look at the picture there. The picture is the car AC, car air condition. So now you go back, place, select the car air condition shape. Now that the shape is in, you will reduce the size, then place it here, increase it a little bit, push it down, click OK, and then right click on it, right click, create Creeper Max. It is inside. Check the picture. This is here, so we will increase the picture a little bit. Yeah, so now it's okay. I'll draw another picture again. Control G. No, I'll draw a shape. That's Control G. Yeah, Control G. I'll use my move tool and then move it sideways. Sorry. Control Z. Pick this one, then move it the other side. Use my move tool to drag it small. Then I'll place it here. So if you check now, these are the same, and I'll pick this, group them into two, this and that, Control G, group, then I'll move them to this side to create this flat shape here. Yeah, so move this one to downwards a little bit. Yeah, it's okay. Then this one is here, so I'll put in this picture, this AC or the air conditioned picture in it. So this, yeah, I'm not having that picture here because when I was designing, I downloaded it straight. So what I'll do is I'll move it from here. I'll just move it and put it. No, come back, Control Z. This is the shape. So now let me turn it on. Let me delete this layer. Delete the group only. Then I can get a chance to move the picture. So I'll move the picture here. I'll leave it. Then it will come here. This is the picture. Put it on top of the shape. This here. Now I'll right click, create Creeper Max to enter. I'll rotate it. this and push it upwards. Now it's okay. I've raised it. So now check this one here and check this here. So now I'm going to add the text on top. When you look at this one is too big. So I'll push this. I'll increase the size of the picture and push it downwards. Push it downwards. Yeah. So that I can increase this one. Close it back to fix the size. Then increase this one too a little bit. Yep. Now I'll use my type 2 and click on the shape. Just wait it to load, then you move on. I'll click on the shape, move it upwards, then I'll type Joko. Joko Chill. And I'll move it. Joko Chill. Yeah. I'll change the color, right click on it, change it to blue. Make it auto, yeah. Then click OK. Make this bold. Black bold. Then check the type. Yeah. Let's check the name of this. The name for the font style is Swiss. So we go to the S column. Then you pick the Swiss on there. S column. Yeah. So this is that. This is the Swiss. Pick this. Swiss 721. That's the name of the font style. You come here, select. Swiss 721. This one. 721 bold. Yeah. Now it's okay. You increase the size of the Joko. Then push it downwards. Now it's okay. Joko, when you check here, it's Joko light blue. This one, the blue is too much. I'll reduce it a little bit. So let's change the color. This is that. Now it's okay. Let's move on. What I'm going to do is I'll retype here and type. We have some text here. It is room air condition and car air condition. Yes, by using the same switch to get anything. Push it down. Set room air condition. Air condition. Well conditioned and car air conditioning. Yeah. Because this one is too big, I'll just make it like that. Come back and turn off the board. It's okay. I'll move it backwards like that. Yes. Because this one is too bold. Shift plus end. This is the size. This. I'll reduce the size with this test. Push it here. So now we have the test here. Room air conditioning. You put space between that. Room air conditioning and car air conditioning. Now everything is okay here. So let's go and check back what we need to. I need to add this image. Then we will write here the services and room and car for this. Let me just copy that. I already have it. I just want to make it fast. Yes, so I'll copy, come here, just paste it. Then I'll paste here. Because I don't want to type it. Just want to make it fast for you to understand. So as for you, you will type it. Type it for yourself. You will type it service. The services. Room and car air conditioning. Then I'll draw the shape. A rectangular shape. This is it. Put it under this. Then change the color to this. Then I will move it back small to fix this. So now I have my services and everything here. Let me place this one where it was. Like that. So now I have my services, car condition, and the newly design work. It is here. What I am going to do now is I'm going to draw this shape and write the telephone number and the location on that. So we are here to draw this shape. Just look at how it is. I use a rectangular shape. So I'll pick my rectangular tool. Then I'll draw from here, expand it to this limit like that. Very bold. Then make the fill color. Push it upwards small like that. Yep. So and we are here now. When we look at the old one, I created a shape here, and this one I didn't use the selection or the eraser tool, but this is what I made. I made it simple. Just draw rectangular shape, long one with this same yellow background color, with this same yellow background color, and push it here. On this one, just rotate it like that. But before you do that, let me teach you one thing. Let's place this color under the shapes. Yes. So these are the shapes below them. And now I'll also put this one there so that we can get everything accurately. Control Z to redo it. Let's go back so that I'll get the shape of that. Okay. This is the shape. No, step backwards again. Yes. This is the shape. I'll use this mouse. Then this is the other shape. Now, since I just placed it under this, I'll extend the shape, make it bold. make it incline like that, bring it back again. Yes, then I'll push it up, up, and a little bit down. Push this one down. Okay, so now when we check here, we almost have the same because the size I used for this one is too big a little bit. So let's go back and click fix on screen. When you check the previous one, it's almost the same as this one. And this one, the shape is more than this. So this one too, we need to increase the shape of this. And increase the Joko. Because check here. Right click and then let me add some small shapes to it. It's 5. Open it. Then it's okay. I'll use my room and push it down. And now what's left is the number and the location and that object with the logo here. So let me add shadow to this triangle. Double click on the shape. The blending option mode will appear. When you double click on the layer to appear, I'll add my shadow to it. So I'll increase the capacity, the opacity, sorry. I'll add the distance, make it like this, then I'll just and reduce the opacity small and click OK. Then when I come here, this shape, I'll place it down here, then it will be on top of that. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's go back like that. Then this one, how I got this shape, I downloaded it. Just go to Google or Google Chrome. You search car and room air conditioning engineer. Then it will give you. So this one, I don't want to search it again. I'll just make it fast. So I'll just move it. I'll move it. Yes, I'll move it to this shape. Shape, shape. Move control, blue, place it in. Then come here, click on this shape, move it there. So I'll place it here. So this is it. Put it on top of this layer. No, okay. Put it on top of this layer like that and push it down. So when you get the image and you want to add the shadow to it, this is the numbers and how I make the shadow. You select the shadow, I make the opacity 45, the angle is 120, distance 26, and the size is 27. Then you click OK. Then you get it like this. So this is the same picture. I duplicated it, making Control J. Then I moved it upwards. So this one. Then I moved it to the top. This then reduce the size. reduce the size. Then you can use the control arrow to drag it down. Making the logo. So you can decide to change the picture and make it a different picture. So now I to shift, reduce the size, then push it down. Click OK. So now it's okay. When you check this and check that, they are the same, but the actual one there was no shadow here. Then you will come to the layer, click on the layer, then turn off shadow. Click on OK. Then turn off shadow. You are good to go. So I'll push this one down a little bit. And this service and this layer, I'll put them in a group. Ctrl G. Then move them upwards a little bit to make the space same as the previous one. So now I'm going to add my phone shape and type the numbers. After that, I'll type the location pictures to that. So come to place, you press the logo shape. I'll search for my pictures. This is the shape. So this is the location shape. Click on it. Then when you get it, when you get it on top of here, you see there is a background shape. And to let me teach you one thing, if you want to change the background of a picture just placed on your design, you right click on the eraser tool, you select magic eraser. When the color or the background color of the picture is uniform, that means one color, like white, like this. When I pick white, this white will vanish, this white will vanish, this one will vanish, this one too. Then I'll pick this, then I'll reduce the size. I'll reduce the size downwards. Then push it upwards small. Because this one is deep wine color. I'll right click, double click on it and check the color overlay. Yeah. So when the pop-up comes, you choose color overlay, then you change the color overlay color to white. Then you will see that this one is here. So this is it. So the location will depend on what you are doing. So this one, I will just place it here for the location. Yes. This is that. So it will depend on the type of work you are doing and who you are working to. And the person will give you the location to do it. So I am just making it fast because this is not Z. Then now click the download option and push it backwards. Click OK. Leave it so probably my opposite Accra House of Work Stadium. This is Ghana work. Yes, I'm doing it for somebody in Ghana. Then I will come here. At the same time, I will just pick my core symbol from the shape. Yeah, so I will come to file and place, then come down like this. Select the phone call to go search for. If you don't have that in your custom shape, you will download it. Maybe phone logo. Yeah, you type phone logo to come. I think I place it somewhere, not here. Yeah. So I'll check my pictures and see. Um, yeah. Okay. I remember. I didn't save it online, but I'll just place it so that everything will be fast for you. Don't want to waste much time. I just want you to get the concept and understand how to design this. Is it there? Then now increase it small and move it upwards. Oh, sorry. Think I am making some deal of work then. Up. Just place it here. Reduce the size. Move it downwards. Then I'll reduce the size again. Then I'll use the type 2. Then I'll type in the telephone number, maybe 055 673 672 345. Then I'll push it down like that. Then change the color to white. Then we are done. So you can see Joko, chill, room work, and then we do that and that and that. Everything is all right as compared to this one. This is how to design a flyer in a simple way. Yes. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and God bless you.